Y'all, today is the baby's first little bath. Say hi, baby. He sleep, but that's because he ate. He is going to have his first little bath today, you guys. And we have his bath water here. And you see back there, I got his towel, got his little robe, his soap, got his little baby little towel here. It has one of these things that can check the temperature in the water in here, because I had to Google it. I'm like, what temperature should it be on? Because I want to use this little thing, but the temperature should be about 100 degrees, so I can see when the temperature start to get lower, which is good. Because sometimes the baby in here, it get lower and you don't even realize it because you just cleaning the baby, but it will get lower and you don't want it to get too low. So I'm going to add a little cold water because it's at 100 point. It's beeping red, y'all. It's at 100.2. So let's see. Let's go ahead and get his little butt naked and put him in here. Here he is. Let's get you in the tub, little baby. So I made sure I gave him a last little bit of breast milk before we finna put him in his tub. Hi, baby. You like it? Huh? Yeah. Look at this little birthmark, y'all. It's getting bigger. Hey. His little feet and his hands, they're starting to get their little color in. I forget when he was first born, he was so white. His little hands are so white. So let me go ahead and start cleaning him. So when we went to the hospital a few days later, they had gave me like a whole bunch of these. So I'm going to use this for to wash him. If it can even, there we go. I'm going to use this to wash him. And I even have some of this too, so I might end up just, I don't know, sticking to my Aveeno, which is what I really want to do. And then I'm going to put some lotion on him afterwards. And then we have his little baby robe. So let me go ahead and start cleaning his little bitty self, y'all. But I cannot clean and record him at the same time, but I do want to show y'all how he is inside his water. And then this is his little temperature gauge. There we go, 99. So we want to have it around 100. So look at him trying to eat his hand. He's so big now, y'all. You would not think he's a newborn. He's 2 weeks today. So let me go ahead and clean him. So I got his little butt all the way clean. I had this little, where is this thing that I have for him? I end up only using this on his hair, actually. And then I use this Aveeno on his body. But he been really chill this whole time. Let me make sure I put a little warm water on him. He want to get out and eat. Hey, baby. Hey. Ah. Yeah, you better boo-boo in your water. Yeah, but I got him nice and clean, y'all. So let's take him out and put him in his little robe. Okay, I got him in here, y'all. I got him all cleaned up and wrapped in his towel. So now I'm going to put him in his robe. See if I can get him to get in his little robe. Let's get him in his robe. Come on, baby. Hey. Y'all look at him in his robe. His little booties. Say hi. Hi. Hey. Hi, new man. You better not pee on me or do kill me. Ah. Oh. Oh. Bless you. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get you all the way together. There's a little robe. Yeah, he was so mad at me when we got in the room. He like, I'm ready to eat. So I had to feed his little butt, you guys. But he was just so cute in his little robe and his booties. After he ate, his favorite thing is to lay on my chest. So that's what he did. Hi, baby. Say hi, y'all. So this was another time that I actually put him in a tub, which is actually 2 days later. I'm gonna give him a bath every other day. So he needs to grow into his robes. That's it. That's all. But we did a little photo shoot. So check out his little photo shoot, y'all. He was truly enjoying it. I think he's starting to like his little robes. I got robes for all my kids, so I really want him to get used to wearing a robe. But thank y'all so much for watching my bath video for him, his first bath. I'll see you guys in the next video.